Whoa, 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 is it a ball? Is it a brain? No, it is a piece of coral that is situated at the heart of the financial district here in the center of London, Canary Wharf. But this sculpture has been created by a Mexican artist. Now, there's no meaning to the sculpture, but I believe that as it is a piece of coral, it is helping to connect the people's minds that are surrounding, that are working in these tall buildings over here, to remind them that we need to connect with nature. It is a useful and powerful part of our well-being and our functionality. And by helping us to connect with nature, this is the simple reminder that it is so important that we need to have nature in our lives. If you're working in this district, take the time to connect, go out, experience and touch nature.